Welcome back everyone. Right, today we're having Vivera Kebab. Now then, for any of you that like a kebab, you'd be a little bit concerned about the fat and the calories and that. This is pretty much nearly the next best thing, so give it a go, see what you think. Now what we're going to do today, we're going to cook this in the air fryer. Now when you actually look at the packaging for this, it actually tells us, have a look, heats in a frying pan, little oil for 5 minutes. Okay, right, so what we're going to do, we're going to get this opened up and we're going to put it in the air fryer. Now as you can see with the air fryer, what you have is, you have this removable basket. But I thought with the actual size of the kebab meat, as you see it's in little strips, that might end up going through some of that. So I thought what I'll do is take the basket out and actually just put it in there and see how we get on. Right, so I'll get that emptied in there and I'll come straight back. Okay, right. So the kebab meat is now in the air fryer. Now this is the first time I've done this, so never done this before. So you're seeing this live. Right, let me get that on, put that on air fry. Right, I set at 200. I might take that down actually. If I turn it down to 180 and then take it down. I think we're going to do this for 5 minutes. You can do this in the microwave, but if you like it with a little bit of a crispy edge to it, then obviously the microwave is great, but it doesn't crisp things up. So let's give this a go. Okay, we'll come back to that in about 5 minutes and see how we're getting on. Okay, we're about halfway through. Let's have a look. See how we're getting on. It's definitely cooking. It smells lovely. Okay, we'll carry on for the remainder.